Today we are going to discuss about the topic Autosum. The Excel provide a shortcut to insert the most commonly used functions of sum, average, count, max and min. For this we have to enter the data in a single row or a single column. And in the case of data entered in a row, click on the cell to the right of the last data entered. And in the case of data entered in a column, click on the cell below the last data entered. So first let's check how to get the Autosum function. For that we have to click on the Formulas tab. And here we have already studied how to insert various functions in the Excel. Like that, next to the insert function tool, we can see an option called Autosum. And when we click on this arrow, we can see the various functions which can be used for shortcut. Okay, here sum, average, count, max and min. These are the commonly used functions for shortcut. And here we have more functions. And also it is possible to add more function to the Autosum. And I have told you that we can use the Autosum in the case of row and column. So if we are using or if we are entering data in a row, we have to click on the cell to the right of the last data entered. I will show you. Here I am going to type some data in the row. Okay. Suppose I am writing 45, 12, 63, 79 and 10. And here we have to click on the cell to the right of the last data entered. So this is the right of the last data entered. Here 10 is the last data. So click on the right cell of the last data entered cell. Okay. So after clicking on this cell, why we are clicking on this cell means we are going to find out the function value of these numbers. Okay. So for that, click on Formulas tab. Go to Autosum. Click on the arrow. Suppose we need to perform addition of these numbers, click on sum. Okay, if we need average of these numbers, click on average. So based on the functionality of numbers, we can select the functions. Okay, suppose we need to add these all numbers, we have to click on sum. Okay, so the function for these numbers of sum is automatically entered there. We have to just click on the enter button. Now we got the total of these numbers to the rightmost cell of the last entered data. Okay, so this is how we can do the Autosum. Okay, suppose I am going to delete this one and we have to perform the max function. So click on the last cell to the right side of the last data entered column and go to Formulas tab. Click on Autosum. Here we can see max. Just click on max. Okay, so the function will automatically come there. Just press on the enter button. Now we got the largest number among these numbers, that is 79. Okay, so this is how we can use the Autosum. This is in the case of data entered in the row. Now let's check how we can perform when we are entering data in the column. Okay, now I am going to enter data in column 13, 96, 71, 33 and 41. So when we are typing data in a column, we have to click on the cell below the last data entered. So this is the cell where we need to click. Okay, here we have to get the result of the function which we are going to perform. So go to Formulas tab, click on Autosum. We can select any one of the functions from here. Suppose we need to find out the average of these numbers, just click on the option average. Okay, then the function will automatically come there. Just want to press on enter. Okay, so this is the average of these all numbers. Here we have studied how to use Autosum function. Okay, this is how we can use Autosum.